Focus, focus, focus. We can say
Hi,
hi.
Phoenix.
What's up, guys? We're back with another quick and easy hair tutorial video with my beautiful wife Laura and little baby Phoenix. And Phoenix, can you say roll that intro? Okay, so in one of our live videos we were challenged to do a hairstyle, and that hairstyle was a push-pull braid. So I thought that we would demo that on Laura for you guys at home so that you didn't miss anything if you didn't catch us live. Laura, thank you for being my beautiful model.
My
And
pleasure.
we'll just zoom this right in and get right into the steps of this gorgeous braid.
Okay guys, so what I love about this type of braid is the manipulation that you can use and the way it's so versatile in kind of utilizing this in other hairstyles. So I simply part Laura's hair off at the top, kind of like a little mohawk section, grab my elastic, and secure that there pretty easily, give it a nice little tug, and then I believe I just go right into my braid. So once the hair is secured, I want to do a fishtail braid, so I split this into two, and you can use any braid, 4-strand, 3-strand, you know, whatever you feel like using. I went with the fishtail here because I feel that when you push it, it splits really beautifully as you do this push-pull. So fishtail braid, taking a little bit of hair from the outside, swooping it to the middle of the other side. You know, pretty basic there. So as I whip this braid down through Laura's hair, making sure to keep everything, you know, secured and sectioned and all of that stuff, I then grab another elastic, pretty sure. And this should be binding this off pretty soon. There we go, giving you a slow motion of the braid there, outside to the inside. Gather it so gingerly. All right, grab my elastic. Yep, thanks, Matt. And we bind. So you've got your braid secured. You got your elastic, doesn't matter the colors, whatever. And so there's your fishtail. Boom, done. So once we've got our braid, thank you for the profiles, Laura. Oh, sure, head tilt, why not? So here's the magic. So to do this push-pull, you grab like the longest piece of hair. So I grab the longest piece down and I grab the elastic, and while I'm holding the bottom of the hair, I push the elastic up. So here you'll see me do it again. I'm holding the bottom piece of the hair and then I'm just slowly pushing the band up, and this is basically making the braid open up and sort of flower. I love doing this. You can do this with just about any type of braid, like I said before. And then I kind of take it and pull it apart even more to kind of give it a really big, dynamic, floppy, you know, cool girl off-duty vibe. So once you like how it looks, I then, you know, you could be done here if you want. You can continue down. What I did is just continue down with another fishtail braid. I loved how Laura's hair being so blonde down here really kind of starts making the braid look so much cooler, because you can really start weaving the colors of the blonde hair down through it. So once I get the fishtail done, another elastic, secure it again, and then grab the elastic band, hold the bottom. Sorry for the camera angle here, but I'm holding, oh, there we go. So I grab the bottom, grab the elastic, and just push the band back up. And even if the hair gets kind of weird and wonky, like you don't really have control over that, like see how it just sort of looks like a mess, instantly just pulling it apart and manipulating it just slightly, and I kind of pull it back apart like that. You just kind of wiggle and jiggle and make it cool, and then all of a sudden it just becomes very pretty. And you have this really badass, intricate kind of vibe. Something that also works really well is to be able to do this like on the side of your hair. If you want to throw your hair in like a low side ponytail, knock that out on the side. You could do like, you know, multiples of these all over and really give yourself like that savage Viking kind of vibe. That's always one of my favorite types of hairstyles. The more like cool and messy and unruly they become, I think that's kind of, they become more dynamic, and it's just so much more fun to have that kind of option to have with your hair with such an easy technique that will leave everyone with lots and lots of hair envy.
Happy girl. Alright guys, so there you have it, my little push-pull braid. One of my favorite techniques. I do a lot of this rouging and push-pulling, and it's definitely really cool. You can take this, put it anywhere you want, play with it. I mean, it can just dangle and be a cool girl braid. Yes! Okay guys, hope you all enjoyed. Thank you for watching.
And until next time, the standing place you want to get your hair matted.
We'll see you soon.